This is March 2024. March 2024. Now I make about 100 Christmas presents a year. This year I'm making a cutting board. This is a prototype. It's maple, walnut, and cherry. And here's the bottom of it. And I want to show you how I assemble this fella. So here's the center. Center is maple. And it's surrounded by walnut. These walnut strips. Glue them up and begin to assemble this. Again, I do this 100 times for 100 boards. Tight bond glue, fabulous glue. I want to keep the grain for the cherry going the same way. When I cut them, you see I have a red mark indicating the grain. So there they are. Push them together here. This is a clamp. Now I'm gonna tighten it up. Now here's an example of what it will look like when that comes out. And then it'll go through a planer. This is a planer. You can also run it through a sander, that is a thickness sander like that. And eventually look like this. Also, I will round the ends off, sand it all real nicely, and then give it an oil finish. I'll wait at least an hour, and then I will take the clamps off. And I did a test yesterday. This is 36 hours. Somebody took 2 pieces of wood and put them together with the glue on it. And the question is how strong is that? Now look at that. That's not even clamped. Really, really strong. And it's been this on here for 36 hours. Now I can test it by, I can't do it with my hands, and it's a small surface. There you go. See, I broke that, but that is very strong. This was last year's. Another cutting board. I think this is my favorite cutting board. It's very intricate and an interesting pattern. This one I just made 2 or 3, a couple samples of what I make. This is 2009. That is the board that you saw me making downstairs, except this is hard pine. Very old pine that's been recycled. Cherry, maple, hard pine. Of a Christmas present. This is like 2010. This gets a lot of use. This one's quite old. This was 1996. It's a lamp. Here's one that is 3 years old. That one's in the video.
Oh.
Another Christmas present. This is about 12 years old. Here's another one that our granddaughter Emily has painted. And then I've made lots of bird houses. Again, I make about 100 of these every year. There's 3 different years. Those are pavilions at the University of Virginia.